All right, what's the deal, YouTube? It's SRT showing me back with another video. Today I'm about to be giving y'all crazy downshifts. We about to be making hella noise today. No cap. Hella noise. I ain't got no gas though. I got like 52 miles to empty, so shit. I'm about to just burn this shit, give y'all downshifts. And they got the back windows down too. So, you know, we about to be making crazy ass noise. I probably say this every video, but shit, I hope that's not too much wind noise. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta start listening back to it, the wind noise and shit. Damn, that shit sound fucking crazy. Downshifts sound hella crazy. Jesus Christ. Downshifts is going crazy, bro. Well, if y'all can peep, I got my mans behind me on his bike. Hopefully I get some like good ASMR from him. I might use some of his footage for real. Can I turn that way? I don't even think I can turn that way. I'm not gonna even risk that shit, no cap, because I can't tell. Shit, what the fuck was that? Oh, I forgot I had that fucking pop there. I'm like, what the fuck? God damn, bro. This bitch pulled. I'm really just banging out third gear right now, bro. Oh, shit's a TRX. It's a hard ass TRX. It was somebody's grandma driving that shit though. What the fuck? That shit crazy. Bro, if somebody grandma can get a TRX, bro, I can get me a TRX, bro. No cap. That's like the third TRX I done seen today though. That shit was crazy though. That shit said crazy as hell. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of jealous. But nah, man, make sure y'all like this video, man. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram at srt.show. You know, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Peace.